Can you see in my slides neural network?
Yeah, it's visible.
Yeah. So continuing what my friend Himanshu presented, he gave a brief introduction on AI. So let's look deeper what artificial intelligence is. So how these algorithms are implemented. Uh, like we used to train our models using various machine learning and deep learning algorithms. Some of the common algorithms which are popularly used are logistic regression, linear regression, support vector machines, neural network. So these are
Yes,
the
Gaurav.
algorithms that, yeah.
Gaurav, just a minute. Give FI, Gaurav. You minimize your uh, MS team and then give FI. And I think Himanshu Nandan, your presentation is not visible to everyone. When you are presenting, it was in the first slide alone. Anyway, we are going to upload the presentation, but inquire whether the presentation is moving or not.
Sir, can I share the presentation in the chat box?
Yes, you upload in the WhatsApp. I think you consolidate all the 10 people presentation and then upload. That will be better.
Okay, sir. I think
And
now it would be looking
yes,
fine, sir.
give F5, give function 5 or give F5, function 5.
Yes, sir. I
Go
gave,
to,
sir. Now it's, yes, sir.
yes. Now
Yeah.
move to second slide.
Okay.
Yes, it's moving. Yes, go ahead.
Yeah. So I was talking how AI is implemented. We used to train our data using various machine learning algorithms. Some of them I talked about, like support vector machines, neural network. Neural network is one of the powerful algorithm that is widely used. It was developed during 1960s and it became very popular during 90s. Neural network is used to mimic the brain. It is network of artificial neurons. Neural network, how it is working, let's look its representation. We can see the structure of neuron, human brain neuron. We can see dendrite there. Dendrite, it can be considered simple as input wire. We have axon. Axons can be considered as output wire through which several network of neurons are connected and the message is sent. That's how it works. Similar way, engineers, researchers have developed neural network model. We can see we have a networks of neuron here. So how neural network is more efficient algorithm. Neural network provides a good parameterized class of nonlinear function to learn nonlinear classifier. Nonlinear classifier in the sense we can train or classify our data various in the various sense like linearly using straight line. Nonlinear classifier is or any kind of curve shape. So how these nonlinear functions are built in neural network? Neural network involves composition of summation of sigmoid function that makes it nonlinear, and we can see here that it has a network of neurons. What gives it extra benefits? With each progressing layer, this model learn from its previous features. That is an advantage of neural network. So it is a very powerful technique to solve many real world problems. Let's move to see some of the applications of neural network. We all know neural network has a very great role in computer vision, autonomous driving, digit recognitions. These most of the people are familiar. Let me talk about something more, which is a subject of research, and not many work have been done in the field. Like neural network can also be implemented for finite element method for the stress analysis. That is subject of our interest being production and mechanical engineers. This is the field where research can be done. And our group is today presenting expert system. Many computer games also uses neural network algorithm to train the model. Expert system actually mimics the human activity. Like while we play chess, what next move is supposed to made by computer, we that is also can be implemented using neural network, not all, but yeah, it can be used. Let's look deeper into the neural network representation, how it actually works. So we have a input layer, layer 1, hidden layer, layer 2, and the output layer. Each layer contains inputs and the features, and the neural network is trained using the sigmoid model function. We can see G is the sigmoid function, AI is the activation of unit I in layer J, theta J is the matrix of weight controlling function mapping from layer J to layer J plus 1. So coming to second layer, we trained our model using sigmoid function. So we finally got A1, A2, and A3. We will train this again in the next model, and that will give our hypothesis A1, 3, G. G is the sigmoid function. Again, I repeat, and the what we previously calculated. This can be simply shown how neural network works. Let's move further. Neural network can be used to classify binary classification, that is true classification like cat or it's not a cat. It can be also used to classify multi-class classification. Like we have a column vector, you can see it is used to classifying pedestrian, car, motorcycle, truck. In a similar fashion, like we can also classify car, rat, horse, dog, lion.
Gaurav, your voice went.
Yeah, sorry.
Not, yes, yes. Go.
First one is 1, rest are 0, means we have designed in such a way that it will give the pedestrian. In the next one, we can see that first one is 0, second one is 1, third one is 0 and 0. We can see that it's a car. It's our assumption how we develop this model. Let's look into the cost function of the neural network. Cost function is actually what, like, it gives a relationship between the expected value and predicted value. Means what is the actual value and what's our prediction. It gives the error, and it is a way to represent our model mathematically. So I have also included logistic regression here. Actually, when we take a single network in neural network, it will become a logistic regression. When means in neural network, if we have one layer, then that will be a logistic regression, and in neural network we have more than one layer. So let's see the similarities and differences between logistic regression and neural network. We can see that here we have only one summation term, while in neural network we have two summation terms, because layers are increasing. For each layer we are doing the same function what we were doing as a single in logistic regression. And this one is the error term, and this one what is added lambda by 2m summation of theta j square. It is a regularization parameter that is used to address the overfitting problem in a model. And like this is a cost function that outputs the error. Here h theta is again the sigmoid function. It can be used for both 0 and 1. When we have y at 0, then the first term will become 0, remaining term will work for the cost function. When we have y as 1, this term will go out 0, this term will work for our cost function. In the similar way, this has been developed by people who are having, yeah. So I will give you a simple example of neural network to implement neural network using TensorFlow. Like neural network can be built from scratch as well, but nowadays technology is becoming more and more advanced, and people have developed several libraries, and these are easy to use. Like if we go from building the scratch, then that will take a much of time. So I will give you a very simple example that can be explained of neural network using TensorFlow. So we will be building a neural network that predicts the price of house based on input parameter number of bedrooms, such that one bedroom cost 100K, two bedroom cost 150K. So we are using TensorFlow. We have imported TensorFlow as TF. We have imported NumPy as NP from TensorFlow import Keras. Keras is a TensorFlow API which are used for this algorithm. So now developing our baseline model, we have taken number of bedrooms as our X parameter, 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, 4 bedroom. And the Y we have 100K cost and 150K cost. You can see that I have used 1.5 instead of 100 and 150K. Actually, I did this to make the values comparable so that our model works best, so that our model predicts value good. These are called feature scaling. I have scaled my data. So now coming to train the model, we have a built-in function in TensorFlow model tf.keras.sequential keras.layers.dense unit 1 input shape 1. Here I am taking only one unit, means I am building the simplest neural network, super simple example of neural network. That is why I have used units as 1. If we are going for more than 1 layer, we will change the unit accordingly. If we are going 5 units, 5 layer, then unit will be 5. So coming to next function, model.compile optimizer SGD loss mean square error. SGD, we are using the optimizer as stochastic gradient descent to train our model, and the loss function is calculated using mean squared error. Again, now we will fit our model between X inputs and what is our output. And epoch is the number of states that we will be following. Means with each passing, means with each progressing loop, it will follow the model, refines itself, and it works better. And so we will be predicting our model for the house having 7 bedroom. So when we run our model, we can say that in the epoch 1 step, it is giving an error of 22.2068. In the second step, it gave a lesser error. So similarly, it goes on decreasing, giving lesser error, and a time comes when it goes to a steady state. So similarly, it runs through 500 loop. We can also, it's on our base, what value of epochs we will be taking 500, 400 to see. We will be seeing how our model is working best. So we can see that at the 499 step, it gave an error of 9.4211 into e power 06. And in the final step, again, we are getting a value, means our model predicted a cost of 399.09598K of the price of house that is having 7 bedroom. You can see actually it is not giving the exact answer. Actually, the answer should be 400K. But again, if we can also do something like that, it will never give exact value. And if it gives exact value, means our model can be exposed to overfitting as well. So it gives round very close, but not exact. So this is what all about neural network. Hope I would have been able to present in a simple way with my best capabilities. And now my friend Parnava will present further. Thank you, sir. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to present.
Yes, thank you. Thank you.
Yes, thank you.
Yes, you.
Good morning, sir. 1 second, I'm screen sharing my content.
Yes, collect, and one has to present. If all 10 people presenting from the different end, it will take time.
Is my screen visible, sir?
Yes, yes, yes.